Hello creative souls, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting fusion of art and opportunity, the art of making money with AI. Thanks to not one, not two, but three fantastic AI art generators. If you're eager to explore the world of print on demand and tap into the magic of AI generated art, you're in for a treat. Let's embark on this journey and discover how your creative passion can turn into a source of income. So step 1 is print on demand, a path to profit. Our adventure begins with the realm of print on demand. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world where your creative work can be showcased and sold across various platforms. We'll also uncover the synergy between print on demand and the successes of companies like Redbubble, turning this endeavor into an artistic investment. So over here we can see they're rated excellent. They are rated excellent by Trustpilot for the 4.7 out of 5. So step 2 is finding the perfect niche. Now let's narrow our focus. Learn the act of selecting a niche that resonates with your creativity and has the potential to attract eager buyers. We'll explore evergreen print-on-demand niches using the power of Google Trends. So right now we are at Google Trends and we are at the Philippines located. And the current related topics to artificial intelligence art would be cartoons, then Microsoft Bing, wallpaper, Adobe, and the mail. So I think your perfect niche would be number 1, which is cartoon. Step 3, we're gonna show you one free AI generator, which is Sinva AI. So meet your first collaborator, Sinva AI. Discover the magic behind this tool and how it can bring your ideas to life through AI generated visual art. So all you need to do is just sign up, add your tools here like a t-shirt, and add your design right there. Just click generate. And there you have it. There is your AI prints on Sinva AI. Now for step 4, we have free AI art generator 2, which is GetMG AI. So onto the next gem, GetMG AI. Explore the features of this AI art generator and understand how it can be your artistic partner in creating unique designs that stand out. So over here we have the prompt. So describe something you'd like to see generated. Let's say a dog. And then there's a dog. Then we can adjust the image, the resolution, the parameters. Then we're just gonna click the generate for images and it will generate images for us. Now for step number 5, we have free AI art generator 3 called Playground AI. Our journey wouldn't be complete without Playground AI. Immerse yourself in the endless possibilities offered by this creative playground and learn how it can empower you to create visuals that make waves in the world of print on demand. So over here we have our generation frame on print on demand. We can select a prompt and then we can just put dog here, click generate, and it will generate the AI generated image of a dog for us. And there you have it. Now, in the next few minutes, we'll reveal the top 5 websites that offer these incredible tools. Let's get started. Now, website number 1 is TeePublic. Our first contender is TeePublic, which with its intuitive interface and AI-powered design suggestions, TeePublic is a haven for artists and designers. Create stunning merchandise with the aid of AI. Making the process smoother and your creations even more impressive. Next up is Redbubble, a giant in the print-on-demand world. Redbubble's AI recommendations help you refine your designs and reach a broader audience. It's the perfect blend of your artistic flair and AI's analytical power. Website number 3 would be Spreadshirt. Number 3 on our list is Spreadshirt. With its user-friendly design tools and AI-driven insights, Spreadshirt empowers you to craft personalized products that resonate with your audience. Website number 4 would be Zazzle. Zazzle secures its spot on number 4. This platform marries your creativity with AI's precision, providing you with tools to design products that reflect your unique style while catering to your target's audience preferences. Number 5 would be Society6. Last but certainly not least, we have Society6. Society6 AI generated tools open up a world of possibilities for artists and creators. Elevate your designs and reach new heights in the print-on-demand universe. And there you have it, fellow creators, a comprehensive guide on monetizing your creativity with the power of AI and 3 remarkable AI art generators. If you enjoyed this guide and found it inspiring, please show your support with a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more creative content. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, remember to keep creating and keep prospering.